Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Alright? Scorpio, this is your current energy, Three of Wands. It seems like you are waiting for something or waiting for some kind of a closure or some kind of a new beginning in your life. Or you are seeing somebody is moving out from your life, or you are seeing somebody is coming into your life, or perhaps you want to move away, or you want to move out somewhere from your current location. So you are waiting for something in life, some kind of a closure, some kind of a beginning, some kind of a new arrival in your life, or perhaps you want to move out. Lot of waiting is here for you, and you are waiting like hell. Okay, so this is your current energy, Scorpio. This is your partner's current energy, King of Pentacles. Your person is king. Okay, they are the provider, they are the nurturer, they are the giver, okay, they are the protector. But this person is all alone. This person is aloof. This person, perhaps they are somebody who doesn't have enough financial things to offer you, but yes, when it comes to emotion, they have emotions for you, and they have genuine emotions for you. Okay, because this person is feeling sad. Can you see? This person has money, but still this person is alone. Nobody is around them, nobody is there to listen to them. Okay, perhaps people come into their life just to take advantage out of it, and when their purpose gets solved, they just kick them out. So this person feels cheated, this person feels disheartened. Okay, and it seems like they have closed their heart for everyone. Okay, they are into their own energies, they don't want to open their feelings, they don't want to talk about their feelings with anyone. Okay, so they are being very, very conscious, they are being very they have closed the connection, or they have cut the connection with outer world. Alright, now let's see how you see them and how they see you, or what you feel about them and what they feel about you. The Empress. See, I told you they are the giver, they are the protector, they are the provider. With this Empress card, you also see them as somebody who is always ready to help the other people. This person has compassion, this person has empathy. Okay, this person has a lot of sympathy for other people, for less fortunate people basically. Okay, so you see them as somebody who is like completely available all the time to help people, but when it comes to them, nobody is there to listen to them. See, this Empress is sitting all alone, even though she don't want any, or she doesn't need anyone, but it doesn't mean that she don't want anyone. All right, everybody needs someone to talk, everybody needs someone to share their heart. On the other hand, we have Five of Pentacles. So Scorpio, your person feels about you that you are being somebody who has been dished by your own person, your own people. You have been left out in cold. Okay, somebody has taken an advantage from you, and then they have left you. They have left you to survive in this cold world. They have left you to survive in this cruel world. Okay, you are feeling disheartened, you are feeling abandoned, you are feeling completely lost. All right, let's see what actions you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other? Ten of Pentacles. I am not seeing any actions in this relationship. With this Ten of Pentacles card, Scorpio people, it's your card. It shows that you are trying to cope up with your own losses at this point of time. It's you who's sitting here, okay? Even though you have complete family with you, even though you are fortunate enough to have a lot of luxury in your life, be it in terms of family, friends, emotion, material things, money, finances, but still you are, coping up with this situation, okay? You are, I told you, somebody has abandoned you with this Five of Pentacles card. So you are trying to just adjust in your current life. Even though you don't feel fit in your current situation, but still you are trying to do it. So that's why you are not taking any action towards this person, because you are into your own energies right now. All right. And on the other hand, with this Ten of Wands card, with this Ten of Wands card, your person is being somebody who has, I told you, they are nurturer, because the Empress and the King of Pentacle cards pulled out for them or popped out for them, okay? So when this person has so much of responsibilities on their shoulders, this person doesn't have time to enjoy their life, okay? They don't have time to cherish their people, cherish their own life, cherish their achievements. It seems like they are working 24/7. They don't have their own personal life. They are feeling exhausted, drained, and very, very sick and tired. That's why they are not taking any action towards you. Now let's see what you feel. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Queen of Cups. You feel that if this time you are going to offer something related to emotions and love to somebody, and if that person do not appreciate your efforts, so you will be completely broken. So this is the reason you're trying not to feel anything in this relationship. That's what I'm feeling, okay? You are trying to hold your emotions. You are not trying to feel anything, okay? You have kept this cup in your hand, okay? So you don't want to offer something to anyone. All right. On the other hand, with this Seven of Swords card, your person seems, this person wants to move out. I think that from their current situations and current scenario, this was from that thing they want to move out. Okay. There is no love. Where is love in this reading? There is no love. I don't know. Let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. Hermit. When Hermit is here, nobody is taking any actions. Nobody is doing anything towards each other. You are just, waiting for something. I think you guys are waiting for some kind of a miracle to happen in your life. Something needs to end, and something will end. Eventually in your life, in both of your life, something will end. Okay, you need to figure it out, or time will tell you what that particular thing is. But something is about to end in your life, and in your person's life as well. I think that this hermit mode is going to end in your life in coming time. Both of you are definitely going to be out from this hermit mode in future. And how much time it will take, that I don't know. Okay, let's see what angels are asking you to do right now. Let's take some angels' messages for you. What angels are asking you to do. I'm not seeing any love in this relationship. I don't know. Either you guys are completely cut from each other. There is no communication, no action, nothing. What is this? It seems like a dead relationship. Not the right time. See, I think that it's not the right time for you to think about this relationship. This is not the right time. Perhaps this is the reason there is no love in this relationship. And until something ends from your life, nothing will start. So you need to be very optimistic. Alright? Okay, so now let's talk about the signs. We have Taurus in this reading with this Hermit card. Okay, we have Scorpio in this reading with this Death card. Some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Water sign with this Queen of Cups. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius we have with this 3 of Wands and 10 of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with the Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this King of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. And some of you could be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign with this 7 of Swords card. Alright. Okay, so Scorpio, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.